Hi Crafty Friends, it's Scrappy and Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's called Cottage by the Sea by Chuck Pinson. So I don't know if you can see it this way. That's the picture. Okay, and this one is a square, because you can see the square, and it's in blue. Okay, and it actually says square diamonds. It comes in a very shiny box, always in a very, very pretty shiny box. Okay, on the right here on the bottom it says scan me, unlock for 10% off. And in the back of the box it tells you step by step how it works, what's inside of the kit. And so let's open up this baby. Oh, I forgot to remove it. Also has plastic, but I removed it. Let's see. All right, let's get the stuff out of the box. If I can get it out. Ooh. Life is a struggle, guys. Okay. All right, so it comes with a toolkit. It always comes with 2 stickers. It's got the small sticker, which I usually just put at the bottom of the box. And that way, if you're not going to work with the painting yet, and you have the boxes, one on top of the other, you can see what's inside this box. Okay, so I put the sticker, the small one, at the bottom of the box. Then it comes with a big sticker, but that's for the that's going to be for the logbook. Okay, let's see what we have in here. This is the new toolkit. All right. So it comes with resealable bags for the diamonds or the beads, just in case you don't have the containers. So these are perfect for that. Then it comes with a very sharp tweezers. It comes with a diamond pen and a grip, a power grip for the pen, and it helps with if you have arthritis in your hands. It comes with wax. This is the container. It's a heart-shaped container, and I believe it has 3 waxes in there. I love this container. It comes with washi tape. Oh, look at this. It's a Christmas washi tape. It's nice. And then it comes with 2 placers, and of course a cover minder. Oh, I got a cloud. I got another cloud. It's so cute. It's got a little bow. And of course the tray that I like. And it's actually deep. It's a deep tray. And it comes with a stopper to prevent the drills from spilling or losing the drills. Yeah, you don't want to lose them, right? Okay, so let's put everything in here on the side. All right. Canvas always comes in a plastic bag, so it's protected while it travels. I always keep this plastic bag. I'm going to have to rip it a little bit here. Okay. Let's get the drills. They're inside. There you go. So you have, wow, that's a lot, guys. Look at this. What I like about it, it tells you, it has a sticker and it says Cottage by the Sea. So if you separate the canvas from the drills, which I do, you'll know that these drills belong to this canvas. Okay. It comes with a large sticker. It has Cottage by the Sea. This is the title, the artist by Chuck Pinson. You put in the start date, the end date, the picture. Okay, and then of course it has the pre-cut labels for your containers. All right, let's put that aside. And then it comes with a thank you for your purchase. It has a 10% off your next purchase using this coupon. It has a VIP face group. I believe if you join, you use this here. It says for more progress photos, sneak peek of your new arrival, join us on Instagram. Okay, and then it has step-by-step instructions, and it also, I think I mentioned that already, and has tips and tricks. Oh, and in the back, a few taps away, iPhone app, Android, and you get 20% off your first purchase through the app. So you have to download your app, the app. Okay, so the canvas. The canvas, as always, super, super soft. It's It's made from heavy duty tarpaulin and tarpaulin fabric, and it's for to prevent from wrinkling and fraying. Okay. All right. So, and it's actually smooth like butter. I forgot to mention that. Okay. So this is the legend. It always has two legends. It has one on the right hand side at the bottom. Okay. And then, ooh, this is a pretty big one, guys. Yeah. And then it has another legend on the upper left-hand side. And in the bottom, it always has the picture. It tells you it's by DAC, Diamond Art Club, Cottage by the Sea. It is 74 centimeters by 55 centimeters, which is 29.1 inches by 21.6. And it tells you that Chuck Pinson is the artist, and it's diamond. It's by, actually they sell it at Diamond Art Club. Okay. And then on the bottom, take 10 for 10% of your next order. They're on Facebook and Instagram. And then over here it has a 30-day money back guarantee, lifetime warranty. It also has a free diamond spill insurance, and they also have a 10% cashback rewards with every order. Okay, so that's excellent. All right, so let's look up. Oh, and on the top it always says, "Do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club." So let's just look very quickly at the legend. And it tells you on the legend, it basically tells you how many colors there are. So there's 43 colors. And then in the middle are the symbols. So the symbols is what you find on the diamond, on the painting. And then it tells you the DMC code. Okay. So it's got 43 colors. And look at how gorgeous, guys. I love it. I love this one. As soon as I saw it, I knew that I had to have it. You know why? Because this is where I would love to live. It has, of course, a lighthouse, which I love. And okay, so let's look at it. So it looks like the sun is going to settle, right? It's settling. And if you look at the water, at the ocean or the sea, it looks like it's rough. So it looks like there's a storm. There's a storm coming. And then you have a boat. You have a sailboat. You have a couple of boats here. And of course, the beautiful lighthouse. Then you have trees, and then you have some houses back here. And then of course you have seagulls flying, and then you have a couple of seagulls hanging out here. All right. And then, which I absolutely love, then you have a pathway, and it's made out of stone. It's a stony path. That's what it's called. A stony path that it leads you to the beautiful cottage. Look at that cottage, guys. And then look at that tree in the background with those colors. And then over here you have some beautiful flowers, some pottery, some flowers in pots. And I believe over here is, I think, because it looks like it's a stone wall. And I think, I'm not sure if this is, these are like lights here. Maybe one here and one here. So that's actually pretty cool. This is a beautiful painting, guys. I love Chuck Pinson. Chuck Pinson is from North Carolina, born and raised there, and he likes to create paintings that both communicate and bring joy to people. And I think that it certainly does. And I believe he has 49 paintings at Diamond Art Club. One of them is American Roots, Christmas Deer, Call of the Wild, and so on and so on. Okay, so let's look. Let me bring this up so you can see. And it's a square. So look at the lighthouse. See that? Let me show you let me fold this because it's actually big, guys. This is the cottage. It's a cozy cottage. See, it's got windows. It's got lots of windows, so you could actually use glow in the dark and make the lights in through the window glow. And then of course the beautiful flowers. All right, so this is actually a beautiful, beautiful painting. But you know, again, Chuck Pinson, all he does is beautiful artwork. All right, so let's look at the drills. Let's move that aside. It's actually very big. Stay there. All right, I'll take out the drills and we'll be right back. 301, it's a brown. So I can put it right there. There's this lamp over here. 356. and 368. It's a very pretty green. All right. And we have 402. We have two of these. It's like peachy, like a peachy brown. 433 is a brown. And then 434, you have two of these, which is a brown, just a lighter one than this one. And 435, an even lighter one. I think we can move these a little bit more over here so we can have space. Is that good? I think it's still in the picture, in the frame. Okay, 550 is a purple. 562 is a very pretty green. Then you have grays. 640 is a gray. 644, another gray. 677 is a very, very pretty light yellow. And 699, a green. And then you have 718. 732 is a green. It's like a vomit green. 733 is like a yellow green. And then you have 779, and you have 3 packets of these. These are like purple, like a purple brown. Very pretty. All right, and then you have 814. How pretty that is. 815. 823 is like a blue. 839 is like a light brown. And then 841 is even a lighter brown. And then you have two of these. 2 packets of 898. Another brown. Lots of browns in this painting. Okay. So 915, very pretty. 934, I think it's a gray. It's like a dark gray. Very pretty gray, actually. 935, it's like a gray green. And then 937, it's a green. And 938, you have 3 packets. And 989 is a green. 989. So you have so far lots of browns and lots of greens. Okay. So 3021, I think it's a gray, the gray family. 3348, green. And then 3371, you have 3 packets, I believe. Oh my gosh, I don't know. It's like a maybe dark brown. Okay. And then 3778. This is very pretty. Okay, this is the last row. Can we get it in here? No, not really. We'll try. 3814 is a green, very pretty green. Can we see that? Yeah, I think we can. 3830, very pretty. 3854, it's like an orange. 3855 and 3856, there's 2 of these. Oops, wasn't in the frame. 2 of those. You can't see these. All right, let's move these. Sorry about that. Okay, now you can see them. Okay. And then 3860, there's 2 of these. And 3861, that's very pretty. And last one, 3864. All right, so lots of grays and lots of browns and greens. All right, and we did say that there's 2 ABs. So this is 129. It's a very, very pretty yellow. And then 131 is another AB, and this is like a yellow orange. So let's look at the painting and let's figure out where these belong. All right, so if you look at the legend, let's look at 129 first. 129 is symbol 1. Okay, so wherever you see a 1, that's where the AB is going to go. Let's see. Okay, so I see some, which is actually going to look very pretty because it's going to be on the stony path. That's going to be nice. So it's going to be glittery, shiny. That's going to be very pretty. I like that. And I'm assuming, yep, up here, right here in the sky. So there's ones there on the lighthouse, of course. and some down here in the lighthouse. Any in the house? Yep. And then it has some in the house. It's on the porch. So that's going to look very pretty. Okay, and then this is number 2. So wherever you see number 2, it looks like it's going to be some flowers. Flowers. How about in the sky? Any in the sky? Nope. Well, there's some down here. Right here. I think those are the flowers. It looks like it's going to be the flowers. And I believe, like I said, I think these are lights. And it looks like it's going to glow there. And it's going to glow here. Shiny. And also here on the light. On the porch. All right. So that's actually going to be stunning. So if you, of course, if you want, you could add more ABs. Where would you add them? Would you add some more on the lighthouse? And some probably in the windows? I don't know. But anyway, so I love this one. I love everything about it. So that's about it, guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And thank you. Thank you again. Bye-bye.